Alright, now it's time to replace this clutch cable. It's frozen up. So we're going to pop her off and put the new one in. See if the clutch is working.
Dad, say hi to Unspeakable.
Hello.
I'm a big fan of you, Unspeakable.
Now we've got to disconnect this.
And I subscribe to your video.
There we go. She's got some patina on her.
I just started recording 1 second ago.
Okay. So we got to completely remove this. She is stuck on there.
I'm the camera guy.
Yep, we might get to go for a ride in this thing.
Man, just look at this thing. Man, we just started it just 1 second ago and it sounded so good. Ain't that right, Dad?
Yep, sure did. Sound like it's got pretty good power. What do you think?
Sure does. I mean, if you go full throttle, that thing's gonna take off.
Yeah. Better hold on tight.
I really want you guys to subscribe to these videos. We're trying to get a lot of subscribers. We aren't getting too many, so I want you guys to keep going and subscribing to us, guys. And guess what we are going to be doing? We're going to be riding this thing. And then we're going to be riding this thing. Remember that, guys? In the mud. It's pretty cool.
First we gotta take the spring off right here. Relieve us a little bit of tension. Rusty old dog. Clutch still works. Now we gotta disconnect. Disconnect. I need a little poker. Something pokey. Here we go. I got the poker. I need a flathead screwdriver. A small flathead screwdriver.
Room is spinning. Oh my god. Dad, when are we gonna get that Yamaha 80cc up there starting?
Sometime this year.
Okay.
Show you what I figured out. Come here. So I figured out a really easy way to take this off. Your fingers are in the way. And this is it.
Hey.
Not heavy duty enough. But these ones are.
Sure is bright. Your head is in the way.
Yeah! Ha ha! That's how you get her off.
Was it really hard?
Yeah, that was tough.
She a toughie?
She sure was. Next we gotta get this thing off here. It's tight because the cable's locked in there. It's not wanting me to take it off. Show this thing who's boss.
Okay.
Put your glasses on.
Glasses on.
Ready?
That's right. That was simple.
Well, that was way easier, wasn't it? Huh?
That's all you had to do.
Why didn't we do that from the start?
I don't know.
Sometimes it takes a little while to learn a little something. Okay. Spick and span. Now we gotta see how this is wired here.
Yes, we have to get that ink that thing out. Okay.
Old clutch cable. See this part right here?
Yeah.
There's a little hole right there, and that's where the water got in, and that's where the rust started, and that's why it locked up. That little tiny hole.
Now we're putting this new one on. Now I'm gonna get to ride it. And then...
Here we go.
Okay, show them what it looks like.
Here she is. XL250 clutch cable.
Yep. That one. The BSA. And that's all you have to do is pull that in.
New cable. Alright, now we're going to see if these tires will hold in the air or not.
We're about to ride it if these tires can hold there.
I got 15 pounds in the back.
Alright.
That'll probably be good now. For now. Let's try the fronts.
Usually you gotta put 100 in there for the last a year. But these are 50-year-old tires.
These things are pretty old.
And they got scratch marks on them. I don't know how they're even patching up.
Good thing for tubes.
Yeah. It's crazy.
That's the only reason why they're pumping up, because they got tubes inside of them.
Yep. If they didn't have those tubes, they would not be good.
Let's see, we got 15 in this one too, so 15 in the front and the rear. That'll be good for a test run.
Alright.
Now, we gotta put a little bit of gas.
And both sides.
Yep. This thing, it was almost empty. We ran the bowl dry. Alright, it's full. So now, we just gotta put one little squirt down here.
And that will do you. There you go. Sort it right up.
And that's that. Can get that on there. Good enough for a test run. Alright, first test run in 35 plus years. Get her fired up.
She runs.
Well, I'd say we gotta do some clutch adjustment because I tried to put it in gear and it took off on me. Let's try one more time.
It works! Yeah! We finally Start him, Dad!